see the scars you've carried, hidden deep inside. From broken dreams and whispers where hope has slowly died. Energy that distorts, ideas that destroy, seeking to consume your health and joy. In the silence of your heartache, where shadows often dwell, I am the voice of promise to lift you from this hell. I will restore the years the locusts have taken, feed your soul with plenty, leave you never forsaken. In my name you'll find your praise, wondrously I'll show my people never shamed. In my love you'll grow, the abundant in righteousness, presence, provision, victory, health, peace, care, and rest, eternally your wealth. Of your failures, the burdens you bear, ideas that destroy, feelings that despair, twisting all your victories, distorting what you see. I am your redeemer, come and trust in me. With every tear that's fallen and every whispered plea, I bring abundant provision and set your spirit free. I will restore the years the locusts have taken, feed your soul with plenty, leave you never forsaken. In my name you'll find your praise, wondrously I'll show my people never shamed. In my love you'll grow, the abundant in righteousness, presence, provision, victory, health, peace, care, and rest, eternally your wealth. Life itself, Elohim, your creator, El Shaddai, your all-sufficient one, Adonai, your Lord and Master, El Elyon, your most high God, El Olam, your everlasting God, El Roy, your God who sees. I am Jehovah Jireh, your provider, your healer, Nisi, your victory, Shalom, your peace, Sekenu, your righteousness, Sabaoth, your rest, Ra, your shepherd, Shalom, your present help. I am the Almighty, the Most High, the Lord of hosts, the Holy One of Israel, the everlasting God, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. I am your King, your Lord, your Creator and Redeemer, your Rock and Shepherd, your light. I am your author and your finisher. I am Jesus, God who saves. I am the I am, I am, I am the I am, I am, and you are my beloved. In my name you'll find your praise, wondrously I'll show my people never shamed. In my love you'll grow, the abundant in righteousness, presence, provision, victory, health, peace, care, and rest, eternally your wealth.